Let's make awesome and beautiful YouTube channel art for free. To do that, go to canva.com, you have a link in the description, and type in over here YouTube channel art. Over here you have lots of beautiful templates to use. So let's say, for example, this free one, click it. Over here, to change the, for example, text, click on it and change text. If it's too big, just stretch it a bit. Over here you can change the logo, change the color, for example. Over here, click it to be green. We'll change the green also. Over here, click on these circles, change green, for example. Over here also to have our brand, and you can select two or more by holding shift and doing this. And this is how you create a channel art very quickly and very fast using Canva. You can use all of these templates over here and choose what you want.